Hello student, today we are going to study about the basic of the physics, basics of mathematics which will be applied in the to study physics. Suppose basic mathematics that we need to know so that we can learn physics easily. We'll go for the differentiation first. We are supposed to know this formula for derivative of sin x is cos x, derivative of cos x is minus sin x, derivative of tan x is sec square x, derivative of cot x delta x is minus cosec square x, derivative of sec x delta x is sec x into tan x, derivative of cosec x delta x is minus cosec x into cot x. Then we have derivative of x to the power n. The derivative of x to the power n is nx n minus 1. Derivative of exponential e to the power x delta x is e to the power x. Derivative of a to the power x delta x is a to the power x into log a. Then we have derivative of log ax delta x is 1 by x. Then we have derivative of inverse. Derivative of sin inverse delta x is equivalent to 1 upon root over 1 minus x square. Then we have derivative of cos inverse x delta x, it is basically minus 1 root over 1 minus x square. Derivative of tan inverse x delta x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. Derivative of cot inverse x delta x is minus 1 plus x square. Then we have derivative of sec inverse x, that is 1 upon x root over x square minus 1. Then we have derivative of cosec inverse x, that is minus 1 x root over x square minus 1. These are the basic formula. There are still loads of formula to be learned. We'll go for, suppose we have terms like this, y is equal to u plus v. Suppose we have to derivate it. It is coming out to be delta u by delta x plus delta v by delta x. When there are terms which are added, it is to be derivated like that. When we have y is equal to u minus v, then derivative will be dy by dx. This is delta u by delta x. This will be delta v upon delta x. Then we have y is equal to u by v. Then derivative of it will be dy by dx v delta u by delta x minus u delta v by delta x divided by v square. Then we have product rule, y is equivalent to u into v. In that case, dy by dx will be equivalent to u into delta v by delta x plus v delta u by delta x. These are certain rules which we need to follow while finding derivative of the terms. Then we will go for the few formulas of integration. In case of integration These are the basic requirements to study physics. Some of these terms which we need to know about the integration. We'll go for the term integration of sin x delta x will be minus cos x plus c. Integration of cos x delta x is what? It is sin x plus c. Integration of tan x delta x is log sec x plus c. Integration of sec x delta x is equivalent to log sec x plus tan x. Integration of cosec x delta x is log cosec x minus cot x. Then we have integration of sec square x delta x will be tan x. This is c. This is constant which we need to add to all those integrated. Then we have integration of cot x delta x. It will be equivalent to log sin x. Then we have integration of terms like this. We have to integrate, let us suppose, x to the power n. It will be equivalent to x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. Integration of e to the power x is what? E to the power x plus c. Integration of e to the power x delta x is equivalent to e to the power x upon log EA. These are some formula for the integration which we need for the class 11th physics. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.